Security isn't just about locks and keys. It's about peace of mind. That's something I truly learned when I renovated my old man's camper trailer. I searched Polish Up's website and came across these whale tail handles, and honestly, they changed the look of it. The robust dual security features, plus the sleek, hidden mounting, not only ensured my kit was safe from dodgy characters, but also protected from dust and water on the rough bush trails. If you're looking to upgrade your ute van or canopy with a bit of style, try these handles. Experience the same peace of mind I did. See for yourself how awesome they can be. Visit polishup.com.au for a selection of electric and manual locks, keyed alike as well. Oh, and bear this in mind, the compression feature pulls your door in tighter for superior dust and water protection. The electric locks are linked to your central locking for ease of use. Polish Up supply retail and wholesale quantities. Visit the site at www.polishup.com.au to purchase a set.